Alright, so welcome to today's class. We'll do it as quick as possible. As you can see, it's getting dark. So I've been trying to work on these classes even late night. I keep late night sometimes to make sure I get a good product out for you to learn Igbo. Alright, this is your educator, your teacher, your instructor, Ekwumekwu Gozie. As you already know, I am an educationist. But today we'll be looking at Igbo language, Asusu Igbo. I'll be speaking English and Igbo because this one, I believe, people that are in L1 and L2 will be in this class. That's why I'll be combining the two. Okay, please, before we start, do well to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. And you know that this program was brought to you by Uzie Academy HSA. It's an education agency that teaches students, be it pupils and students, be it in their primary school or secondary school, preparing for common entrance. We train them online and offline. Mathematics, English, physics, chemistry, and because we prepare them all around preparation. So we'll start. This is Igbo, or if you want your child to learn how to read and write Igbo, get us involved. Or learn how to read and write English, get us involved. So today we'll be looking at ihe bụ ekwumekwu. Ihe bụ ekwumekwu. Alright, so ekwumekwu na-ebu edemede. No, let's get okay. Ekwumekwu bụ okwu eji ọnụ ekwu. Now, ekwumekwu is just like dialogue. It's when you speak with your mouth or with your tongue. That is regarded, when you speak with your mouth or your tongue, is regarded as ekwumekwu, which is dialogue or communication. Ọ bụghị okwu ederede. Ekwumekwu is not a dialogue that is being written down. You say it orally. It's an oral thing. That is, ekwumekwu means what? Oral dialogue. It's not what is written down. Okay, let's look at a na-ekwu ekwumekwu n'ụzọ ndị a. These are the ways in which we dialogue or we communicate. Number one is oge mmadụ abụọ na-akpa nkata, when two persons are discussing or chatting. Oge otu onye na-akọrọ ụmụaka akụkọ ifo. When one person is trying to tell the little kids or children stories or folk tale. Akụkọ ifo in Igbo means akụkọ ifo in English means folk tale. Number three, oge ndị ahịa na-ekwe ihe ọnụ. When you come to the market, when the buyers are trying to price a product they want to buy, so they are bargaining and pricing. Communication is going on, or dialogue is going on. Oge ụkọchukwu na-ekwu okwuchukwu. When reverends or priests or pastors or prophets are preaching the word of God, communication is going on. Oge ọha obodo na-eme nzukọ. When communities or countries or villages are doing their meeting, so communication or dialogue is going on. Ekwumekwu na-ebu na-ebu edemede ụzọ n'asụsụ ọbụla. Tupu anyị amalite debe asụsụ Igbo, a ga-ebugodi ụzọ kwupụta ya n'ọnụ. So here they are trying to tell us that a communication or dialogue is being said before writing it down. So you say something, then you write it down. Just like in a meeting, the secretary is there and that people are talking, trying to air their opinion. The secretary is busy writing down. So it's when you talk, you write. So you don't write before talking. That is what this place is trying to tell us. Now, this is a picture of oge mmadụ abụọ na-akpa nkata. This is when two persons are discussing. That is, these two kids, they are discussing. One is with fish, and the other one is with her product. They are discussing. Okay, this picture is when somebody is telling a children's story. It's when someone is trying to tell the children some story. So this is the marketplace where buying and selling take place, where the seller is trying to price a product. Okay, so this one is a reverend or a pastor or a prophet trying to preaching the word of God. And this is where we have picture of community meeting. Now the next one we are going to enter is ihe ụmụaka na-eme n'ụbọchị nkịtị. The duties or the work that the children does during ordinary days. The work that they do in ordinary days. All right. Number one is ha na-azacha ezi. They sweep the compound. Number two, ha na-aza ime ụlọ. They sweep the rooms, the sitting rooms and their inner rooms. Number three, ha na-esi nri oge ụfọdụ. Sometimes adult children do cook food for their parents and the family. Number four, ha na-asa efere. They clean the plates. Number five, ha na-edozi akwa. They prepare their bedroom and make it so clean. Number six, ha na-enye aka ịga bute ihe n'ahịa. Some of them do help going to the market to buy things or to bring things from the market. Okay, this one is ihe ụmụaka na-eme n'oge ezumike. That is the things that the children can do during holiday. The thing that the children can do or does during holiday, just like now you are on emergency break because of COVID-19. So there are some certain things you should be doing for your parents. So these are some of them. One, ha na-ehicha ụlọ. They mop the house. I don't know if you do that. If you don't mop your house, it's a crime. So learn from today to mop your house so that your parents will be happy with you. The next one is number two, ha na-akpata nkụ. They move into the bush and fetch firewood. This one is for people that live inside village. I know that you people, some of you that are in the township, you don't know where bush is. Some of you have not seen bush before. So this one is for people that are in the village. Then number three, ha na-asa ụgbọala. Some adult children clean the car. They wash the car every morning. Number four, ha na-ede akwa. They iron their clothes and sometimes their parents' clothes. Number five, ha ji oge a arụ ọrụ ụlọ enyere ha n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. During holidays or weekends, they use it to do their assignments. Okay? The next one, ha na-asụ akwa. They wash their clothes or their parents' clothes. The next one is ha na-agụ akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ is AKWO. Akwụkwọ. Ha na-agụ akwụkwọ. They read their books. The next one is ha ji oge a agba bọọlụ. This period, some of them use it to play football and do all kinds of play. The next one is ha ji ya arụ ọrụ ugbo. Some of them that are in the village, they use this holiday season to do farm work, to do agricultural work. Then the next one is ha ji oge a agara nne na nna ha ahịa. They use, especially the adult ones, or they use this period to go to the market on behalf of their parents to buy some certain things for them or for the family. The next one is ha ji ya ekpere. Yes, whenever you are on the holiday, it's a period for spiritual empowerment. So some of them use this period or use holiday period to pray for the success of their family, their siblings, their academics, their school, everything. They have an opportunity to pray. The next one is ha ji ya aga akpagharị. So during holidays, they use it for traveling, for visitation. You visit a tourist center, you visit a mall. So many of them, they use it to visit. Okay, this is a typical picture of white or children doing the assignment that was given to them by their teachers. Alright, okay? You can do this assignment. Nwale. This means assignment or classwork. Depụta ihe atọ na-amasị gị n'oge ezumike. Write down 3 things that you love doing during holiday period. 2. Dee ihe ise ụmụaka na-eme n'oge ezumike. Write down 3 things that the children do during holiday. Okay, this is where we'll stop. In our next class, we'll go to week 6. Izuka isi. Thank you very much. Remember, we believe in this channel, we believe in the pursuit of knowledge. So, pursue knowledge. What you know today is 100% capable of helping you today and tomorrow. God bless you. You can call our number if you have any question on 081 33 57 7465. 081 33 57 7465. Thank you very much.